Reddit user pakhat Karen in ti chuan Zudor hlui upato tak mai Westram chunga mi hi atlowa he Zudor the white hat in tavan an ti mai hi kumzabi som parukun lai dayami to kha ania he building upato tak mai hi Hlauhawm pang thil chuan chen chilin a rang thin ni in an soya mitam tak he tawana thleng thin ta chuan eng thilemoni mo thei si lovin an taksa aron zu thin yan hriat thin thu te zan laia an mun da khum chu khoitu om chuang mi si lova aron che thin thu te chu an soi thin boka karani chuan he hmunat lo tum hian room rang ranga chuan camera chu akam thlu maya jinglam dar thum vel ani tawang he thil hi alo record fu ta ni room ruak vek pakhata chuan mu thei si lo eng thilemuni hian no aron tiri hi alo hriat theia a ori hi a thumin room ri lampang te po a ang lek lek thei hialani he thil thlen hun lai hian mihring tuma an om lova chumi mai pialama jinglam dar thum vel ani towa mihring tuma an vei kual rin to lovani khatianga thom rap zet mai aron ta chu kareni po hian an nuwa he video footage an enlen le chu a multhi ading ve sung sung thei hialani TikToker Jasmel 232 hian rum khat chu thil danglam tak mai hi amatora khal lain tongfu in chu thil ton chu TikTok lama hian aron tho chuaka rum khat chu Jasmel hian taksapeng mi tenan donate chu cargo box a hian phurin anda na mun tur lampang chu apan puya hetia konga atlan mek lai hian thom danglam tak mai chu a hnung lampang cargo box atang chuan aron chuak tlat ni chu na hretat tlat maya chuta thil thleng chu uluk zetin ilo ngai thlateyang
y'all listen real carefully, okay? Y'all hear it? I keep looking back there to see if that box gonna open.
A motor hnunga phur taksapeng box atang chuan eng thil chiak nge soiti hriat thei si lo phun thom hi aron chuaka chun kho en lai ma ni se a phur tu tan hi chuan ngai ngam taka han tlan pui chi chu ani chi lovani Jasmeli hi me chia mai ma ni se keini mipa tam tak ai po hian a huai zok kan ti thei ome mi tam tak chu ni se a motor tang khan kan chukanga kan tlan san dei mai thei ani khatianga tlan pui tur kha chuan huai sen na nei cha ve deuh chu angai nge yang le Reddit user crazy grapefruit te hian poker hi kar khata voi ni te voi thum te a thian te nen chuan an khel thina chutia zan khat an khel le tum chuan a thian te nen chuan ram pui lampang chu soi chukin a thian te chuan an khel mek na in chu a hran thu chu an soi chuak tamau maya a tir chuan a tam jok te chuan chung an thil soi te chu an oi lova ma sen zinga pakhat chuan video te pakhat hi alo nei hlau maya chuta thil thleng chu hei hi ni zandar som le min somli pali bor vel ani towa room eng lutuk lawa chuan camera chuan pokar khelna chu chiang tak chuan alo la a chuta chair pakhat chu mi han thu ni om tak hian tolsonin aron oma reilo te hnuwa chuan chair pakhat po chu aron che vele boka motion activated camera chuan thil che omna hriat lampang chu hoikul zelin tukver lampang avala le chu tukvera hian mit pahni rap omzet maya room chung lampang lobi lai hi avala fu tamaya den rem rem takani he thil rap omzet mai avala fu hi chemi alo chuan aron dak renga chuta room chunga chuan thil che a hriani turani camera chu ain her kuala ma se eng thil mala chu a hmule thei der chung lo mu thei si lo eng thil mani chu he motion activated camera hian a detect phone ti chu a chiang reng maya he pokar khel na room hi engamoti kongzong tak chuan alo rang chu ani ngei mele tiktoker Olivia hian a thil ton lap zet mai hi tiktok lama hian arom phau chuaka a chenna parmena chuan thil holam deuh ma se thil pa ngai lo deuh hi atong thina atir chuan thil khleng sakle ni tura ngain enga ma chuan ngai du lem lawa ma se zan khat chu thil danglam tak mai hi ron thleng le in chuta thil thleng chu a phone camera chuan alo recorda amut na room pon lampang chu Hlauhawm ti hriat tak hian thla chu vala in heti lai tak hian eng thilemun hian bangan thil ban chu arom potla throi maya a hlau lutuk hi atlan che zui ta ni Olivia suidanin hemizana thil thlena tang hian zantit mai chuan thil thleng chuan zual lampang chu apan deuh deuh maya hetiang hi thil omdana ni ta ka chuan Olivia te tan hi chuan in son chua vat a fu mai theiani tiktoker pakhat Kyle Anthony in ti hian a tiktok account lama chuan a chen nei in lama a thil ton ama ngeina alo record chu aron pho chuaka hun engamoti atang khan a chen na in chung silinga chuan thom danglam tak tak hi a fo maya angai te po chu a thalo hle ni chu chen nei in chunga chuan thil nung eng thil moni tlat ni hriat na chu neya tum khat chu en fia tur chuan a han kal chowa
Okay, I just heard a loud ass banging in the garage while I was pouring my coffee. What the f***? Please do not be something weird. I cannot take this shit anymore. Well, I thought I had the bright idea to shine a flashlight up in there since my phone light wouldn't reach very far. But I got up in there and realized there is a light bulb. So I'm gonna show you what I found. If I can make it up here. These are some rickety freaking steps. That is some kind of a box. And I'm too scared to go get it. Maybe after one more beer.
ai in chung ceiling chunga chuan box dum pakhat hi han mu in chu thil chuan amit chu la hle meya chu box chu la thla in a chunga chuan enge ti chuan ena a thil mu chuan a bara khai chiang kher mai
All right, I'm up here. And light bulb blue. So that's great. Now let's go get the box. Oh, goodness. What do we got going on here? This is sturdy. All right. Okay, it's a Christmas box. Oh, where's the handle? Is there another one? Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see what's in there. Oh, is that a fucking... There's some shit in there. Okay, dust here now. Okay, there had to be a freaking doll in here. Oh.
Chu bom bal tak mai chu han hongin a chunga chuan no telem mitmu po nei to lo hi alo oma mak takani chuta khatia hun lai khan no pang nui ri ni om tak hi hriat thein zoi tak si hian alo om boka hetia box dum bal tak mai a hona tanga ni tampo la vei lawang tia chuan a ceiling lama chuan thomna tak mai hi aron omle tatlat maya.
Alright, for any of y'all who don't believe that this is real, then I'm just making it up. I'm about to prove it to you. Alright. There's nothing up here. There's nothing up here.
Khatiang khopa thom narun siam si kha ceiling chung a han hoi kol khan thom ron siam tu eng thil ma chu a han humi lovani khatianga ceiling ron hor dot dota thom ron siam thei tu chu thil lian tak le bibo le mai thei tur ni in alang lova ma se khatia han chau khan room chung zong kha chiang takin alang vek thei sia eng thil ma a ummi lovani mihring lampang ani lo ti chu chianga kha box dum a hon nen khan he thil hian in kung kai na anei mai thei ani YouTuber pahnih Ilitan Joe YouTube lama ghost theory in ti te chuan manson hlui manson frang hi an tlo duna he manson tlo tu masa chuan hetiang hian an tlo ma in atlo truma athil ton chu hetiang hian a rila manson chung kalu chia kha mak deuh main hlauhna na men lo mai chuan min ron tum halin ka hmul thi te chu ading hal sung maya in chung lampang ka han hoi chho te chu ka ril ru chuan chuk ngal turin min tur ngal et mai ni ti in a hril ta ni ghost theory Iliatan Joe te chuan chu building lian le rap omzet mai mun chu tlai to taka hian thlengin building le che vel chu an han en kul masa a ti chuan building chunga chu nutin hetiang hian thil chu aron thleng chho tran ta ni
But there was a bang on the floor.
That can't have been a curtain.
What was that?
Who are we speaking to? Can you come up to us? Because I get the feeling that we are speaking to someone. I felt really nervous all of a sudden. Oh, what was that? That was a big bassy sound. And not here. Like, what is going on? It sounds like there's like the walls are talking.
I've just got a really horrible sensation through this bit here.
An na chung lampanga chuan thom dang lam deuh hi aron le thina in chung chho na staircase lampang chu enin zo na te chuan zota eng thil nge thleng zel ilo enang.
We believe that you're here. Just use as much energy as you can to show yourself, or you don't even have to show yourself, but making a loud, distinctive sound would be amazing.
That was on the stairs. Yes. That was 100% on the stairs.
I heard it. Thank you.
Does that mean you're able to walk down the stairs to us?
Gosan tarpani te chuan room rang chu lut kolin chuta an static camera kam chuan he thil dang lam tak mai hi alo record fuwa. An static camera kam chuan chair lo chela hi alo la fuwa. He room chunga hian kha chair ron ti che thei tu om ang kha eng thil ma a om mi lovani. Heti room rang an va kul na hian he thil hi an tong vele boka.
This is a very strange place so far. We've probably been here for 5 hours. Not investigating 5 hours, we've just been here. Okay, well, we've been calling out for a few hours now in this building to see if there's someone here who can try and talk to us. We think that maybe we have been talking to someone. You may have been doing things for us, but we're not 100% sure yet. And we don't want to keep on asking the same thing. We don't want to keep asking you, can you...
An na room noi lampanga chuan chiang tak hian ke pen thom kalri hi an hreduna an thil hriat chu mak kan ti dun hle ni a chan po an ni pahnih bak hi he building manson lian taka hian an lo wang ani.
It's what I'm not getting anything anymore. I'm getting no vibe whatsoever.
It's just suddenly gone, isn't it?
Yeah. What an odd thing.
I bet you that means that we don't stop recording, because
Well,
there's going to be like a big or something, isn't there? Yeah, it's going to be like, yeah, I'm gone, but I'm not. I'm going to scare the crap out of you in a minute.
but it's not just quiet. It literally feels it's weird because it's rained, and then it's like the feeling's gone.
Yeah.
An thom hriat na lampang chu zuk enin han en kul le ma se khatia in chung lama an laya ke pen thom an hriat kha an zuk chuk nu hi chuan eng thom ma hriat tur alo le to lawa thom siam tu ang po eng thil ma an mule chung lawani he manson hi building lian tak mai nia hetianga thom mak le thom dang lam deuh alo po hi amak ran love.